Today's wonder has brought us to Maleny. Maleny is a rural town in the Sunshine Coast region of Queensland in Australia. Some quick facts about Maleny. Maleny was a timber town until the 1920s. But today's Maleny is a center of dairy production and people looking for alternative lifestyle. I'm now standing on the busiest street here in Maleny, known as Maple Street. This street is very famous for having various shops selling artisan handmade products which are sourced locally from all around Australia and from the rest of the world. On Maple Street, you also find health food shops and shops selling organic produce, as well as artisan cafes, restaurants, and credit union. I'll be walking around to take some video shot of Maple Street to see what is around here. Okay, let's enjoy Maleny. Bulk foods. As I said in my intro, Maleny is renowned for shops selling all kinds of organic produce and healthy food. People living here love the rural lifestyle and alternative lifestyle. So most people who relocate from cities like Brisbane and the busier part of the Sunshine Coast prefer to settle in a rural town like this to enjoy the lifestyle they are missing in the busy and the fast-paced part of the country in which they were living before they relocated. It's like back into time. There's a discount shop where you can come and find some bargains. Over there is a bakery and IGA, a convenience shop at your disposal. World Food, Maleny Lane. There's a food market where you can come and enjoy yourself and sample foods from all cultures around the world. This will be a fun place to be, hey. Maleny Community Center. more. Maple Street Co-op. At this co-op, you can buy some beautiful hand-woven burger baskets all the way from Ghana, West Africa. This is one of my favorite shops in Maleny, selling organic food, eco gifts, and homewares. A charging station for EVs. Let's go green on the streets. Bearded dragon. Huge. Hello. Aussie wildlife. This is Australian native. Hello from Maleny. Organic Cafe. Temple Herbs, the church. Lettuce. Laid back into time. Now let's go for a tourist drive around Maleny and its vicinity to check what else we will find in this place. Wild agapanthus. Now walking to the farm to see some cows. They are so lovely. Maleny is a dairy town, so these animals play a major role in the socio-economic structure of this rural community. Biological farming, chemical free, no spray, that's the way to go. I am now at a mixed farm of cattle and sheep. The paddock here is all for them to enjoy the pasture. Food is in abundance, so I can see how healthy and fine they are looking. A milk can leather box, very interesting, reflecting the industry in the area it finds itself. Now standing on the Black Hole Range, having a spectacular view of the Glasshouse Mountains. The Glasshouse Mountains are a very iconic landscape of the Sunshine Coast. Hello, how are ya? I love cattle so much. They look so cute, especially their eyes. Anytime I look at them through their eyes, I just get some affection. Wow, madam, I look different. Your brownie is marvelous. Keep it up. Dare to be different among the rest. We share something in common. You don't mind being different, right? Well done, mate. More. Back on the good old Maple Street, I will do one loop on Maple Street before I exit Maleny Town Center and drive through other parts of the Sunshine Coast Hinterland. Now driving past the Parrearra, a boutique winery. Vineyards. I will be ending today's tour very soon. Hope you enjoyed it and got some different perspective of this beautiful place. In case you don't know or you've not been here already. Thanks for watching. See you in our next episode. Have a good one.